Hey, if you're into vibe coding, but you're getting a little frustrated, this video is for you. To leapfrog all of that frustration, start with CrazyBuild. You can put in your own idea with this green plus sign, or you can use one of these. View details to dig deeper. If you like it, you can start building this idea. Then you can refine your idea by answering questions or applying expert insights. Apply insights and generate prompts. CrazyBuild has scored this, and the scores are a little low, so let's auto-optimize. And indeed, that did raise our scores. Now click the Mocha link and download your prompt set. Upload the file into Mocha and say Build. Say Continue after each of the next 3 pauses. Then say Final Polish. The result is a beautiful, fully functional site or app.